Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Lefun Baby monitor. We're setting it up for our baby girl. Oh, she's so cute.
Say hi.
We're going to tell you everything you need to know about it. We're going to set it up and show you how it works. Alright, this thing's pretty simple. I've already took it apart, so, but there's nothing to it. Pull it out. Basically, it's simple. There's your camera. And you got a cord. Put your cord on. Plug it into the wall. Download the app, and the app will tell you how to hook it up. The biggest thing is to make sure that you have Wi-Fi, because the Wi-Fi has to hook to your phone and to this through the app, so you can have Wi-Fi. If you don't have Wi-Fi, it will not work. I'm just going to set it right here to show you guys how it works. Now, it's got wall mounts, so you can mount it to the wall if you want, or however you want to mount it. But right now, I ain't going to mount it. I'm just going to show you how it works.
Hello. Goodness.
What'd you say? We got it set on the edge of the crib. We need to take these bumper pads off. Supposedly, we're not supposed to use them. Now, this camera is HD. It also has night vision. And you can also, it's got a speaker thing where you can talk to them through your phone or app or whatever. You can also put this on your TV. Anything that where you can download the app, you can watch your baby monitor through it. So I got it set up on the phone, which all you do is you download the app. The app will tell you all the instructions, easy instructions to hook it up, and then you'll be ready to rock and roll. But I'm going to show you how it works, show you on the app, and we're going to test it out. You want to go put Willow in the crib?
Yeah.
We ain't got her sleeping in the crib yet because she don't like it, but we're going to try it anyways just to show you guys this thing, how it works. Alright, I got it turned on my phone. Willow is in the crib. This is what it looks like. So basically, and you can move this camera with your finger. Whatever way you want. It also has sound. If you have an auxiliary cable, you can plug it into an external speaker if you want it to be louder. But it works pretty good. I'll show you night vision. Turn the light off. And then boom, there's the night vision kicks on. You can hear the sound. She does not like her crib yet, but it works pretty good. But basically at the bottom, you have all the buttons where you can adjust your volume, click to speak into the camera. You can also videotape it. Very simple to use. I'm going to try to speak into it from the other room and see if you guys can hear it.
Hi, baby Willow.
Hello, can you hear me? Baby Willow.
Did it work good?
Mm-hmm.
Did you hear me, girl? It's very simple to use. You can put it on your phone, tablet, TV. If you have a smart TV where you can download the app. Are you talking?
She wants to eat. I'm hungry.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. And if you're interested in the Lefun Baby monitor, there is a link in our description below. Click that link and it'll send you to the page, $39.99. And also it helped me out because I am a truck driver for Amazon. So the more you buy, the more work I got. And you can help us buy diapers for this little girl.
She's hungry.
She's hungry, so Carly's gonna feed her. See you next time.